How do mergers and acquisitions guides address compliance requirements? In today's fast-paced business world, mergers and acquisitions are making headlines. Just this week, major companies are in talks about potential mergers. With so much at stake, understanding compliance requirements is essential for any business considering these transactions. Many people are asking how guides on mergers and acquisitions can help navigate these complex legal waters. Mergers and acquisitions guides provide a roadmap for companies to follow to ensure they comply with all necessary regulations. These guides outline the legal steps that must be taken to complete transactions lawfully and efficiently. One key area covered is pre-merger notification and antitrust compliance. Companies must file notifications under laws such as the Hart-Scott-Rodino Act in the United States. Recent updates to these rules requiring detailed forms and extensive documentation to be submitted to the Department of Justice and Federal Trade Commission. This process helps regulators assess whether a transaction could harm competition. Another important aspect is legal and regulatory readiness. Mergers and acquisitions guides stress the need to comply with laws in all jurisdictions involved. This includes corporate law, securities law, tax law, and any specific regulations related to the industry. For cross-jurisdictional mergers, companies must navigate different compliance frameworks, which can be quite challenging. Tax compliance is also a significant focus in these guides. They highlight the importance of structuring transactions to meet requirements for tax-free reorganizations under relevant tax codes. Legal reviews are recommended to confirm that the transaction qualifies for favorable tax treatment and to avoid unexpected liabilities. Documentation and disclosure are critical components as well. Compliance-focused guides emphasize the need for accurate and complete documentation, including contracts and regulatory filings. Proper documentation supports transparency and reduces legal exposure. Finally, operational and regulatory integration is addressed in these guides. Compliance extends beyond legal filings to operational aspects, such as managing digital identities and updating legal entity names. In the financial sector, detailed planning is necessary to align regulatory compliance with operational execution. In summary, mergers and acquisitions guides address compliance requirements by providing detailed instructions on meeting regulatory filings, legal standards, tax rules, and operational mandates. They encourage early preparation, thorough due diligence, and ongoing coordination with legal counsel and regulatory bodies to ensure that transactions proceed smoothly.